within the Kenyan market, what you'll come to realize is that we mainly don't have tech startups, but we have website or rather web-enabled businesses. Now, these are businesses which leverage on internet access to either sell their goods or services, communicate to the customers, or enhance part of their operations. Now, here at Finahost Online Solutions, we focus on supporting web-enabled businesses to maximize their online presence and get best returns. Now, here are some of the projects which we've been able to do and which we currently run within the Kenyan market. Now, to get started building your own web-enabled business, contact us today.